Okay, hey guys, welcome to a new video, where today, I'm sorry if you hear that, it's not pee, it's just my, fish tank, but, today, I said in my last video, hey, it's my cat, come here, Oscar, but, I said in my last video, I would do Easter eggs, so, if you hear meowing in the background, that's my cat, but, I said I'd do Easter eggs, and, so we're gonna do it. Okay, so this Easter egg is not quite an Easter egg, it's just cool. If you look here, there is a diamond that is circling, that's making this, hi cat, and the circle, hold on a sec. Right there, I circled it. Yeah, that's a quick thing that I did. Oh no, this isn't working. Okay, there we go. That's my first Easter egg. Another Easter egg, I think Julian, I forget who figured this out, but if you're a sea creature, I don't have anything, and you go up, did you see that? Did you see the bottle? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Look, bottle. Did you see it? There's a bottle. I think I saw it, but I don't know if you saw it. Hold on a sec. I can't move. But there's a bottle. There's a message in the bottle there. And it just pops down. Oh look, I have that too. Okay, okay, so this, if you came from the beta days or just met in Animal Jam, you have probably seen this before, and yes, you probably saw this before if you came from the beta days or something. So just leave in the comments if you know what it is. There's 3 names for it. It's a type of dinosaur, and I will give you, if you can just put down your answer, and I will give you who is scared. No, just leave in the comments what you think it is, and I will give you the jingle holly bow hair. Yeah, I'll give you that. That's what I'll give you. So, or my sun hat. Yeah, I'll give you my sun hat if you can guess it. So, yes. Just leave your username in, and you tell me one of the names of the Easter egg here. Okay. Okay. There's a face here. If you didn't notice that, and there's a face where the face is. Should I clear it? Yeah, I should clear it. But there's a face here. If you don't see it, props to you. Yeah, so okay, it's not working. But there's a face here, and yes, there's a face there. You probably noticed that. So yes, and then there's signs here. Oh, hello again. Yes, I took it off. Okay. So yes, that's my Easter eggs video. So if I get enough subscribers, I'll do a special. I only have 9 subscribers right now. I shall show you. So I can't believe that everything here is happening. And just to help me, I'm dying. Please. Please help me. I'm dying.